How to add referral program in Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up and install the referral program into your Wix stores. So it is very easy and very simple. All you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you are going to be good to go. Here we are on the Wix dashboard. We have already signed in into our account and this is the step that you should do. Sign up or sign in for an account, you're going to see here the site's dashboard and select the website that you want to add the referral program to it. If you don't have a website, you're going to click on the blue button at the top, which is create a new site, and then you're going to begin creating your website. So we are going to select from the dashboard here a website, and we are going to wait for the dashboard to open up. Once you have opened the dashboard, you're going to see here all the features and the control panel of your website from here. You have a left side menu. We have a header for the quick access for the links, and also the exploration of the website. And we have the search bar at the top. So for the referral program, we are going to click at the top here on the search bar and here type in referral. And then we are going to see that we have a Wix referral program. So this is an app. So we are going to install it to our store. So you are going to click on it. It will take you to the app market. You're going to wait for the page to load up. Then we are going to add it to our site. Now, as you can see, we are on the app page. Here we have it. So we are going to click on add to site. It is free to install, of course. Now it will be adding it to here. We need to access the theme editor. So we are going to click on it and then we are going to head over the theme editor. We are going to open it. So we are going to allow it this time for the pop-up and we are going to have it right away. So as you can see here, we have our website opened and here loaded. So we are going to see the referral program. We're going to see here the discount that could be added here by adding the code. Now you can go ahead and quick edit the case and the section background, for example, or you can go ahead and manage the program itself by clicking here on the banner here. Click on manage program and here it will open up the dashboard and set up your program for here. So this is the type of it. It is going to be in the marketing here. So you can go ahead and set up the program by clicking on the button and then you are going to put a name of it, a reward trigger, for example, store order placed, session booked. Here we are going to set it as a store option. Then you're going to set up the referring customer reward. You're going to select a reward, a coupon, discount, free shipping. Here we have a discount of a percentage, discount of an amount, and here we have free shipping. You can go ahead and set the reward name, apply it to all services or specific products or everything. You can go ahead and set up the percentage. Also, you can set up the referred friend reward. They will get, for example, a coupon and etc. So for the email notification, you are going to set up or encourage the customers to join your referral program. Then you are going to save it. Here we are going to give the let's say here the person that has joined our referral program a link that could be here code specified to get the also the percentage off or the discount for themselves. You're going to click on save when you finish and boom, here we have it. So that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.